Hi guys, I'm just going to fit a pair of Milenco bumper mirrors really to stop, let me just close the door a sec, stop the van getting banged about or the mirrors getting damaged whilst travelling. So I read so many reviews on YouTube and caravan magazines, so that's what they look like when they're finished. Simple to fit, absolutely simple. I'll show you exactly how they go. And this is how the other mirror is before I fit it. There you go. Okay, so I'll go inside and I'll show you exactly how it goes. It's simple really. A lot easier than the other brands there. You get a sticky pad here. That sticks basically on there. You get a little plastic clip then, which we have here, and two screws. Always clip this side on first, the big side, large side first, clip it over the mirror and clip on, and then little grub screws then will screw in there the other side of the mirror. Let me just show you what I mean. So if we clip this side on first, so bring it round, bring the mirror around this way, clip on, these two little grub screws here then hold this protector in place. As literally as simple as that. I think I paid $59.95 on the leisure outlet. They pretty much quite a good outfit there, because I bought a wheel clamp, I bought a steering lock, and to be honest, they look really smart as well when they're on. They're a white gloss, not just black, and it's all fitted. And like I say, this is the Fiat Ducato 2.3. You can either have a long arm, make sure you, depends which one you buy, a long arm here or a short arm. And these are long arm, because why they call them long arm is because when you're reversing, the arms are longer than the wagon, so you can see beyond the reversing of the cab and beyond. So that's why there's long arm and short arm, depends how big your outfit is really. But that's as simple as that, guys. Just literally clip on this side, clip it on here, pop it on the back and put them two grub screws in, and basically that's your mirror protectors all fitted. I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe, and I hope it helps you fit some mirrors rather than damage all your mirrors when you're touring and travelling. Okay, thanks. See you in the next one.